It's a new 2019 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. Doing it right, doing it with ease. Heavy payloads are just what this truck was built for. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, remote engine start smart device, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Truck Trend writes, it offers what could be the best pickup styling in the industry and a high-class quiet interior in a more capable package. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.